ORACLITES. Today I wanted to do a crochet video since summer's almost here. I thought I'd do some coasters since I needed some for my house anyway. They are so cute. I just love them. They're made with comfy cotton, Lion brand, and the color Cloud 9. Okay. This is a size 3 yarn, but you know, this is a little thicker. It should be cotton because it's good at soaking things up, or even a cotton blend would work. Comfy cotton is half cotton, half polyester. I'm using a 6mm hook, and you're going to need scissors and a darning needle. And just to give you an idea of the size, here's a Starbucks Frappuccino bottle. It fits perfectly in the middle. Okay? Like perfectly. And there's still some room and cuteness. So we're going to start with a magic circle. Wrap it around your first 2 fingers and hold it with your pinky. Put the hook under the first, over the second, pull through, and chain 1. Now if you have trouble with the circle, you can just do the chain 4 slip stitch. We're going to chain 1 more. Depending on how you crochet, you can chain a 3rd. We're going to be doing doubles. That's just my preference. Then we're going to do 10 double crochets into the circle. So pull through 2 more, and that's our first double. So that's 2, including the chain. Okay, so now we're going to need 8 more for a total of 10. I'll see you back here. Working on my last. And done. So now we pull the string to close the circle. There we go. And now we're going to join to the first double, not the 2 chains or 3 chains, to the first double. I do things a little bit differently. I've realized this. If you want to do it your way, go ahead. Chain up 1, 2, or 3. And now we're going to do a double in the same stitch right here. See where it's coming out of? The same stitch. There we go. So there's 2 in the same stitch with the chain. Next stitch, we're going to do 2 doubles this time again. And 2. And the next stitch, it's going to be the same thing. So, 2 doubles in each stitch around for a total of 20. See there? 2 in each. Alright guys, I will see you back here. Just finishing up. 1 and 2 for 20. And see, if you pull it up a little bit, it goes over to where it's supposed to be. Okay, now we're going to join. Just fiddle with it a little. So join to the first double again, not the chains, the double right here. And through again, and there's our slip stitch. Now don't fret if it bends a little, see there? It just doesn't have enough weight yet, but once we finish, it'll lay flat. So we're going to chain up 1, 2, 3 this time because it's a double plus chain 1 it's acting as. Okay, pull it over a little and go into the next stitch. See, here's the one it's coming out of, here's the one we're going in. Double crochet and then chain 1. Sorry, I need a little more yarn. Chain 1, go into the next stitch, double, chain 1, next stitch, double, chain 1. So we're going to do this all the way around. Okay, double, chain 1, double, chain 1, and I will see you back here. Alright, I am just finishing the last one. See here, pull that up a little and over and it'll sit where it should. I'm going in what looks like the same stitch as the chain, but when we're done it will all sit right and everything will look fine if you just tug it a little. So go into here, the last stitch. See there? It looks like the chain's coming out of, but double crochet, chain 1. Don't forget the chain 1. And then we're going to join to the first double. See? You can tell because these are 3 chains. There's nothing that they're attached to. See underneath? They're not attached to anything. But the double, it has like a little opening you can see. It's attached. Stick your hook in and do a slip stitch. There we go. See, it looks much better this way, I think. Just tug it a little and there we go. Okay, now we're going to chain 1, 2, and we're going to double crochet now into the chain space here. See this hole? Peekaboo! There we go, into the space to do a double. Okay, so this chain and the double equal 2 doubles. So let's go into the next space and do 1 double and 2 doubles into that same space. Okay. Alright, you see how there's 2 in the spaces? That's how it should look all the way around. We're going to do 2 in each space. So 2 more doubles in here and all the way around, and I'll see you back here. Okay, just finishing up my doubles. And done. Okay, so now just pull that down and out so you can see this is where we're going in. See the double? That's where we're going to do our slip stitch. And there we go. Now we are just about done. You should have 40 all around. You could leave it here or you could do the border. Now we're going to chain 1 this time. Only 1 because we're going to be doing singles backwards. See, we usually work forwards, but we're doing backwards this time. We're crocheting to the right. It's called, I think, the crab or the reverse stitch. So after you chain the 1, you are going to do, it's like a reverse single. It's a single crochet, but backwards. So we're going to do it into the space, again, into the space, not the stitch, the space. So yarn over, pull through, hook under, pull through 2, hook under, pull through 1 to chain. You have to do this very loosely as well. So we're doing a backward single and a chain. I had to add the chain because it wouldn't fit all the way around if you just did the 1 single. Okay. Stick your hook your stick in. Stick your hook in, pull through. Grab the yarn and pull through 2. And then chain 1. Very loosely. See, pull up and chain. And it looks like this cool little spiral thing around the border. So stick in, pull through 2. See, it's just a single backwards, that's all. And don't forget to chain after every single. See, single, chain. Stick the hook in, pull through. You have 2 loops. Hook under, pull through 2. Chain. Okay, I'm coming around to the end. Don't forget to chain after your last reverse single. There we go. And here I'm going to join into this weird thing. You see this right here? This little, not quite a stitch, but it has some substance to it. You could chain up here, but it's not as sturdy, I don't think. So here's our last stitch. See, there's the V. And here's where we're going to join underneath of this thing. Just make sure you join to something sturdy, that's all. So stick it in both and grab the yarn and pull through the loop. And the loop on your hook, and there you go. I like to pull it up just a tad so it looks like the rest of them and it's nice and neat. So there we go. Chain up 1, pull it up tight, take the hook out, and snip that yarn off. Pull it through, stick your thumb on it, and pull tight. And there we go. A cute little coaster that you can make a few for your home or wrap them up in ribbon and give them as a gift. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up for me. And if you'd like to be part of our crazy Oracle family, just hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you don't miss any new videos. Remember, be blessed, be brave, and be beautiful. And I will see you next time. Toodles!